Hello all, welcome to yosua.com test automation tutorials. Today we are going to learn about Selenium. What is Selenium? Selenium is an open source test automation framework or tool which will allow you to automate web applications or websites in various browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer and Safari. Mainly it is used for web application automation for testing purposes, but you can do more than that. What you can do? For an example, if you are extracting data from some website on a daily basis as part of your role or job, you can automate those kind of boring activities through Selenium. It will save your time as well as your effort. How it is going to work? When you execute Selenium script on your laptop, it launches your web browser on your laptop or computer, and it will enter the URL or website address in the web browser, and then it will automatically extract details which you wanted to extract from the website. Also, you can write a code to save the extracted data into Excel file or text file or any other file, and it is faster than human user. For an example, if you take 2 hours to extract those details from the website, Selenium will take just 20 minutes to do the same. Likewise, you can use Selenium as per your need and the requirement, but it is mainly used for functional regression testing. Okay, what is functional regression testing? When developer introduces new feature in the existing application, or when developer fixes the bug of an application, we have to make sure that code change has not broken any existing functionality. So testing the existing functionality or features of an application when code change was done, which is called regression testing. In the real world scenario, the enterprise applications will have so many feature in it. When developer changes some piece of code in the application to fix the issue or to introduce new features, we have to make sure the code change has not broken any existing functionality. So we used to do regression testing to make sure everything is okay in the application. So the manual testers, they will have 2000 plus test cases on the regression suite, and if they try to execute all 2000 plus test cases manually, that will take many days to complete the testing, which will affect the application release date and go live date. Here the Selenium comes into the picture. If we automate all 2000 plus test cases using Selenium, we will be in a position to complete all 2000 plus test cases in one night, and it doesn't require any human effort to kickstart the execution or to run the execution. Okay, next we'll talk about the Selenium scripting language. Yeah, Selenium, it supports many programming or scripting languages such as Java, C Sharp, Python, Ruby, and etc. You can find more supporting languages in seleniumhq.org website. So you can choose the programming language in which you are comfortable. If you are comfortable in Java, then you can go for Java Selenium. I'm comfortable with Java Selenium. Also, you can find many supporting materials for Selenium Java in internet. So I'm using Java as my Selenium scripting language. So you can find my tutorials in Java based script in the upcoming tutorials. Even if you are not familiar with any programming languages, still you will be able to write Selenium script through my tutorials. So don't worry about the programming language at this stage. While learning Selenium script, we can learn Java as well. So don't worry. Okay, let's talk about the advantages of Selenium. Yeah, the first is open source. Yes, it is an open source software or framework, means we don't need to pay. You just need to download it from seleniumhq.org website and you can start using it. You don't need to pay for it. The second one is easy installation. You don't need to follow process, procedures and documents. It is simple. Just need to import the Selenium jar files into your Java project and you can start using it or you can start running it. Next one is speed. It executes faster than user. So we can save lot of time, money and investment on resource due to the speed. Compatibility. It supports multiple operating systems and multiple browsers such as Windows, Linux, Mac. Also, it supports multiple browser on individual operating system as well. And it allows cross browser testing, which means you don't need to write new scripts for individual browser. You just need to write one script which we can execute it in all the browsers. Next one is parallel execution. Yes, Selenium supports parallel execution. So you can run your scripts in parallel. So at a time, more than one scripts can be executed in one machine. So that is going to save more time. Again, this will help you to reduce the overall execution time. Also, it will help you to increase the test coverage of an application. And the last one is integration with third party tools. Yes, Selenium supports multiple programming language, so you can integrate third party tools like Jira, ALM easily with Selenium. I think that's all about Selenium. Please check my next video for Selenium hardware and software requirements. Okay, before we finish it, I will show small automation script demo which I developed for this tutorial. So this is the code. It's very simple. You don't need to write so many codes. So what I did here, I defined the Chrome driver. To execute your script in Chrome driver, you need a Chrome driver. So I'm configuring it here. And next one is I'm creating WebDriver object here, and I'm assigning Chrome driver here. So that it will launch Chrome browser on my Mac machine. And then here I mentioned some uh, implicit weights. Also here we can screen the, or we can expand the browser window. We can make it full screen. So driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. So this will maximize your browser, and then it will enter google.com in the browser, and then it will type pound to USD in the Google search bar, and then it will click search button. After clicking search button, it will extract the today's USD value against the pound, and then it will close the browser. Okay, let's run it. Save it. It launched the browser. It had some issue. Let me check it. Failed to change the. Okay, let's remove this code and we'll try. Yeah, it's done. We can check it. Yeah, the 1 pound is equal to 1.23 USD. So it successfully extracted the details from Google website. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.